All right. 3, 2, 1.
Oh boy. Okay.
Oh, really? Oh, the level's good now.
Holy.
It used to level above the floor. We're on 1. 3. Yeah.
1.
One of the coolest button panels I've ever seen.
It's a little dark in here.
Yeah.
They got LED lights.
Bonk.
Another right?
Yeah, you can do one more.
Jeez, I almost pressed the wrong button.
Excelsior maintains this one.
Cool.
Let's try the bumper. It works, sort of.
Well, I mean, it stops the door. I guess it immediately closes.
It's a really cool elevator. It doesn't close. No, it stays open until someone presses the button. Love that. Well, thankfully it's still original. You just hurt yourself. All right, well, all right, that's it.